Hi there, I hope you're doing well. Today in Star Food, we are going to bake this delightful creamy cream cheese creme caramel. So let's get started. First, we will start with the caramel. Add about 1/4 cup of sugar into a pot. Next, pour in 2 tablespoons of water. Then let it turn into golden brown color. Pour the hot caramel into the bottom of your container and let it cool. Okay, so next in a bowl, mix 1 cup of cream cheese with 1 whole egg and 4 egg yolks, then whisk them. For the sweetness, add half cup of condensed milk, and for the aroma, add few drops of vanilla essence and end by pouring 1.5 cup of lukewarm evaporated milk, then give one last final whisk. Next, place a sieve onto the container, then transfer the liquid mixture onto the caramel. At top of the container, cover it with an aluminium foil. Place the container on the tray, pour about 2/3 of hot water of the tray, then let it bake in the oven at 180 Celsius temperature for 50 to 60 minutes. Once it's out from the oven, let it cool down at a room temperature. Later, let it rest in the fridge for 4 to 5 hours before serving. Once it's cold, using a knife, cut the edges of the cream caramel. Then flip the cream caramel on a plate. And there you have it, your perfect cream cheese cream caramel. The smooth, creamy texture combined with the rich caramel flavor is truly irresistible. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more delicious treats. Let me know how your cream caramel turns out and share any variation you tried. Thanks for watching and see you next time.